Good morning, children. Welcome to MPK Girls School online classes. I am your teacher, Sandhya ma'am. I hope you kids are all fine. So, are you all ready for today's class? First, let me give the answers to the previous homework which I have given you. Your first exercise was from page number 15. The question was circle the common nouns. Here some words are given to you. Before doing the exercise, let me first once again read out these words to you. The words are parrot, Kochi, Ali, bear, Sunita, snake, Joseph, plant, apple, India, frog, goat, tiger, Pankaj, Sali, Sunday. Now from these words, you have to identify common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns have to be circled and proper nouns have to be written down in the blanks. So, first one is parrot. This is a common noun. You will circle it. Kochi. This is a name of a place. So, you will write it down. But the thing you have to note over here is proper nouns begin with a capital letter. So, your first letter is K. K you have to capitalize. And rest will remain the same. Kochi. Second name is Ali. Ali is also a name of a person. So you will capitalize the A and then Li. Beer. Beer is a common noun. So you will circle it. Sunita. You will write below the proper nouns because it is name of a person. Specific name. Snake is a common noun. You have to circle it. Joseph. This again is a specific name. So J will be capitalized and written under the head of proper noun. Plant, common noun, circle it. Apple, again common noun, you have to circle. India, name of a country, you will write down by capitalizing I. Frog, common noun, circle. Goat, common noun, circle. Tiger, common noun, circle. Pankaj, name of a person, you will write under the heading proper nouns and P will be capitalized. Sali, same, name of a person, S will be capital. Sunday, week's name, all week's names begin with a capital letter. So Sunday will come under proper noun, S will be capital. In your second exercise, you had to write the names of your friends and say whether they are common noun or proper noun. So you can write the name of your friends, any name. Like I have for example given the names Kashfi, Priyansh, Akshita, Rudrakshi, Hemil and Aishwarya. All these names are proper nouns because they are specific names. Our last question is write as many nouns as you can that go with the common nouns given below. We have to find out some common nouns in the kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, garden, classroom, restaurant and zoo. So let us first see the kitchen. Kitchen, you can find stove, plates, bowls, spoons, oven. These all things are common nouns. Second, bedroom, you can find pillow, carpet, blanket, lamp, bed, almirah. These all are what? These all are common nouns. In the bathroom, bucket, brush, soap, shampoo, towel. Garden, plants, flowers, bucket, tap, chair. Classroom, chalk, duster, cupboard, bench, blackboard. Restaurant, chair, plate, fork, spoon, cook. Zoo, cage, lion, elephant, tree, giraffe. Let's come to today's homework. You will be There are two exercises which I am giving you as homework. This is in page number 16 of your book. First one is write four exact names. Exact names are proper nouns for each of the categories below. Like names of the days, it's already given in the book: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now next they are asking you is name of months. Any four months name you can write over here. Third one is name of festivals. Any four festivals. Name of cities. Any four cities name. महीनों के नाम, त्योहारों के नाम और शहरों के नाम. Next, second exercise is read these sentences below and circle the nouns. Write whether they are common nouns or proper nouns. Like the first two, they have already done in the book. First one is, does Nimu really want to go to Chennai? In this sentence, Nimu and Chennai, these both are proper nouns. Nimu is a name of a person, Chennai is name of a place. So both are proper nouns. Second one is, my brother has a black dog as a pet. Here in this sentence, brother, dog, pet, all these three nouns are common nouns. इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको सेंटेंस पढ़कर इसमें नाउन्स को ढूंढकर गोला लगाना है और फिर वो नाउन्स प्रॉपर है या कॉमन नाउन है उसे ब्लैंक में लिखना है. I am sending you homework through a PDF in which you have to write the answers and send the picture of that work to me. You can do this work in any of your rough copy.